Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. قُلْ هُوَ. Repeat after me. قُلْ قَى. Say قُلْ هُوَ. قُلْ هُوَ. Repeat after me now. قُلْ هُوَ. قُلْ هُوَ. Again. قُلْ هُوَ. قُلْ هُوَ. قُلْ هُوَ. قُلْ هُوَ. قُلْ هُوَ. قُلْ هُوَ. Excellent. When Alif left after playing with each letter, they still remembered the wonderful company of Alif and the song they had sung together. So they wanted to sing the same exciting stretch song, but they couldn't because they had the Fatha hat on them. So they flipped their Fatha hat to vertical position and sang the same song.
Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, truer from the tip. Sa, the, va, da, da, do, za, sa, so, la, na, ro. From its middle are ja, sha, ya. From its edges are do, ke, ho. 6 from the throat. A, ha, a, ha, wa, ha.
We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. So buckle up and let's go and learn how to recite Quran properly. Ala. Kids, do not make mistake by overstretching like ala. That's wrong. Also, to say la is wrong. But make sure that you read it properly, follow and listen very carefully. Ala. Again, ala. Ala means family. Let's go and read the next word. Adama. Same thing. Make sure you do not recite it wrong like this. Adama. Very wrong. Again, do not say Adama, but say Adama. Listen carefully again. Adama. The next word we have is Hada. Do not say Hada. Very wrong. The proper way to say that is Hada. And it is also wrong to say Ha-da. Very wrong. But it is right to say Hada. Listen one more time. Hada. And the next word we have is Bihada. Bihada. Now, if you stretch B and it sounds Bihada, that's wrong. The correct way to say is Bihada. That means you have won because you just said it correctly. If you make a mistake by saying Bihada, wrong. The correct way to say that is Bihada. Wow, that's the alarm that's telling you that you are right. Listen carefully again. Bihada. Bihada. Let's go to our next line. The first word here is ذَلِكَ. In this word, we have to be very careful not to stretch the la. ذَلِكَ Wrong, because it's so sad. And the proper way to say that is ذَلِكَ. Wow. You know, that means you're right. Again, ذَلِكَ. That is wrong. But when you say it correctly, ذَلِكَ, you can say, yes, that is right. Listen to me again. ذَلِكَ. ذَلِكَ means that. Well, the next word we have is only an addition of ka. ذَلِكَ is already there. We just add ka, and it's كَذَلِكَ. Do not say كَذَلِكَ. That is wrong. And also, don't say كَذَلِكَ. Both of them are wrong. Don. A big sound. But if you say كَذَلِكَ, that is right. Everybody, when they listen to you, they say, MashaAllah, that is so beautiful. That's how we want to teach you. The next word we have is an addition of wa. وَكَذَلِكَ. Do not say وَكَذَلِكَ. Are you singing? No, but you're reciting Quran. So be careful. Take one letter at a time and say وَكَذَلِكَ. Excellent. Listen to me again. وَكَذَلِكَ. The next word we have is ذَلِكُمْ. Do not recite it as ذَلِكُمْ. Big mistake. You have to be careful. It may change the meaning. What? It may change the meaning? What? No, it will change the meaning. So be careful. Why? Because you are learning Arabic with action. So by now you should know that every letter, if you change it, it will change the meaning. So listen carefully. ذَلِكُمْ. Excellent. Again, ذَلِكُمْ. The next word we have is آخَرَ. Do not make the mistake, children, by stretching the kha to kha, ra. That is wrong. آخَرَ. Can everybody repeat? آخَرَ. One last time. آخَرَ. If you listen carefully and practice along with me, you know what's going to happen? You will learn how to recite the Quran, and also you learn in a nice way. So follow along and let's continue. The next word we have is amana. Do not say amana. That's wrong, but say amana. Amana. The next word we have is amanu. Do not recite it as amanu. That is wrong, but amanu. Listen to me again. Amanu. Excellent. The last word we have in this line is بِآيَاتِنَا. Okay? Make sure that you do not recite it wrong in this way. بِآيَاتِنَا. Doesn't sound right, does it? Good. Let's listen to it properly. بِآيَاتِنَا. Again. بِآيَاتِنَا. Wow, that sounds right. So, let's go and continue our learning. In this line, we have again 4 words. The first one is يَرَى. Do not say يَرَى. That is wrong. Say يَرَى. Again, listen to me. يَرَى. The next word we have is فَهَدَى. Do not say فَهَدَى, but فَهَدَى. The next word we have is فَغَوَى. Do not say فَغَوَى. Do not overstretch it. and say فَغَوَى, but say فَغَوَى. And the last word in this sentence is أُسَارَى. Do not say أُسَارَى, wrong, but say أُسَارَى. And you can definitely move on to the next word because you are doing a great job learning in such a nice way by following our program. We go to the next word now, which is أراك. Here, do not make a mistake by stretching أراك. Wrong. That's wrong. But if you say أراك, that sounds proper. And also, by reciting أراك gives you a feeling that it is correct. The next word we have is هدانا. Do not say هدانا, wrong. هدانا is correct. هدانا sounds right. Make sure that you follow properly. The next word we have is هواه. Do not say هواه, that is wrong. And also هواه, both of them are wrong. But if you listen carefully, it is هواه. Listen again. هواه. And the final word we have in this line is ناداه. Do not say ناداه, it is wrong, but it is ناداه. Now we go to the next line where we have again 4 words. The first word we have is ميكالة. What is it? ميكالة. Do not say ميكالة, wrong, but ميكالة. The next word we have is وآتاه. وآتاه. And the next word is وآتاهم. And then next بناها. بناها. Children, this is where we are going to change our gear. You know why? Because previously you're learning how to drive, but now you have learned how to recite, so we're going to increase our speed because we are on the highway. Whee! Aren't we having so much fun? Yes, we are. So let's go for it. إلى. إلى. The next word is وإلى. وإلى. And the next is على. على. Guess what's happening here? We have reduced, not we, but you have reduced your mistakes. And you're reading very nicely. And that's the reason why we're going fast. You're not making a mistake. The last word in this line is وعلى. وعلى. Guess what? We come to another line and the highway is so smooth because you are the one who is on the driver's seat. Isn't that so much fun? Oh yes, it is. The first word here is بلى. بلى. The next word is عسى. عسى. The third word we have is عيسى. عيسى. The final word in this line is موسى. موسى. Let's learn how to write Arabic. It's a lot of fun and interesting at the same time. But you know what? You gotta be careful because a small mistake can make a huge difference in meanings. Let's take up that challenge and let me show you how to write. Let me grab my board and my marker and I'll show you the first word, which is ala. So first I'm going to write a straight line like that, and then the standing fatha and then I'm going to write the la, the fatha, la. Let me show you again. I write this is the standing fatha, the lam, and the fatha, ala. Well, it's your turn now. Why don't you take a pen and a paper and write? So let's write together the and then the lam and the fatha, ala. That was wonderful. Now let me take a second example, which is هذا. The second example for us is هذا. So let's start that. The. So I'm going to put the standing fatha, then the dot and the fatha and the alif. That gives us هذا. هذا. So we're going to do like that. Come around, make the dot, the standing fatha, and the fatha and the alif. Well, it's your turn. Take your pen and a paper and write with me. So we start with the ha, go around, make the. Make sure that you put a dot and the standing fatha and the fatha and the alif. That was wonderful, children. We still have 2 more words left, but I'm not going to write them. I want you to practice that on your own. That was very nice, children. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مستمعين الكرام، السيدات والسادات، نشرة الأخبار اليومية. درجة الحرارة الخارج هو تقريبا 33 درجة مئوية. Oh, that sounds like the weather report. I wish I could understand what is being said. Well, don't worry, help is on the way. Come with me and learn Arabic with actions. Guess what? In this lesson, we just need to practice what we had learned from our previous lessons. Minhu means from him, minhum means from them, minka means from you, minkum means from you all, minni means from me, minna means from us. It's your turn to repeat after me in Arabic. Minhu, minhum, minhu, minhum, minka, minkum, minka, minni, minna, minni, minna. Again, minhu, minhum, minhu, minhum, minka, minkum, minka, minni, minna. Excellent. One last time. Minhu, minhum, minka, minkum, minni, minna. MashaAllah. That was lovely. MashaAllah. Excellent. Wow, children. I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time. And I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.